I'm surrounded by nature, so I figured, since I like to be outdoors, I'm gonna make something really cool today. So I decided to make this salt bowl. This is what the finished product looks like. Here it's like up close. So basically what this is, you put this in the heart of your home, like the kitchen, or you can put it near your door, and it absorbs all the negative energy. And the way you make it is you start off first with sea salt, and you have like different versions of sea salts. Like I like to use the white sea salt, and then I add the Himalayan, the pink salt, and then I actually got salt from Austria, from an actual salt cave. So very special, one of my best friends actually gave me that. And then I also have from Austria an herb salt. So you basically put a bunch of salts in first, and then you add spices. You add cinnamon. Now each spice represents something, like one bring luck, one bring love, one bring prosperity, peace, harmony. I mean, every single one. But I'm going to include on the bottom a link where you can see what each herb does and what it represents to make it easy. So here I added like cinnamon sticks, I added the bay leaves, clover, allspice, and then this one is juniper, and then here I have, it's like a Tuscany seasoning. It has like rosemary, oregano, all the different kind of like Italian seasonings inside. And then I also have fennel and chamomile flowers, then multicolored peppercorn, lavender flowers, and of course basil. And then you want to also add like fresh herbs, which I chose mint and rosemary. Those are two of my favorite. And then of course we cannot forget the good old sage. Love the way it smells. And then I took it, of course, because I always have to do extra, so of course I had to add some essential oil. In this case it's the lavender one. And then of course the ginger, because we all know ginger is always a healing one. And then I got the anointed oil from Israel, and it's frankincense and myrrh. So I added all that in there. So this is gonna be an amazing bowl. So if you come to my house with any negative energy, it's gonna get sucked right out of you and end up in that bowl. So anyway.